Hello everybody and welcome to week 4. I hope you're doing well. This is the overview video and the discussion board prompt comes after it. So you have 2 quizzes that are due by Sunday, March 15th. Remember, if the dates are different in this video than your current module, use the due dates in your current module. So you have these 2 quizzes to complete and these 2 quizzes. The crux of this chapter is, or this module is, the prompt. Let's go over it. What is your race and ethnicity? So in this prompt, we have come across Atticus and Mama. We discussed their races. Now it's time to discuss yours. So for this assignment, you're going to tell me what is your race. Excuse me. So based on what you've read so far, what race or ethnicity would you be? So what race are you, and would you be considered Latino or not? So those are the 2 questions. So in the discussion board, you will answer, yes, I am Hispanic or I'm not, and then give your race. And you're going to use at least 4 in-text citations. 2 will come from this video, and then 2 will come from the article that is below, which I'm going to go to now. So the discussion board prompt, the discussion board prompt is here. The video that you need is within the prompt. You also need to refer to this article. So this article was a little confusing, so I tried to make it more clear. So individuals you're either Hispanic or not. This is an ethnicity. Then here are the 6 races I'd like you to choose from. The article got confusing to some students last semester because under races they put Hispanic or Latino. I added this is for ethnicity, not race. So Hispanic or Latino is not a race. So you'll answer Hispanic or Latino as ethnicity, and then race, you'll choose one of these 6. And when you cite from this article, since there are no page numbers, I want you to use section white, or section Hawaiian, or section, or section black, or section African American, whichever you choose. But since there are no page numbers or paragraph numbers, use section for this. And when you're putting together the works cited, I put the information that you need for it here. So the Institute of Education and Science is the author. Here is the title. And what is holding this? This website is holding this article. National Center for Educational Statistics. So that's why this is in italics, because this article is being held in this big container, which is the website. Okay, so let's go back. So you know that the initial post will be submitted here by Wednesday, March 11th for me to grade. And then you put it here as well in the thread. And then you'll answer or respond to 4 other students by Sunday. Then here is an optional discussion board. You're going to take your last week's discussion board. I gave you feedback on it. Change based on that feedback. Correct it, and then you'll put it here. So let me come through here. All corrections must be made. So open up the week 2-3 initial posts that I graded for you. Make all of those corrections, because when you submit your corrected copy here, I'm going to pull up last week's with my feedback on it, and I'm going to go side by side. If you haven't corrected all the errors, I'm not grading it. You'll be excused. Okay. However, let's say you got an 80 on the week 2-3, and then you get 100 on this, which you have to have. 180 you will equal to have a 90. So I'm giving you a chance to make corrections there. And this is due by Friday, March 13th. There are no late assignments or submissions accepted. Okay, so there are 4 quizzes. They're all due on Sunday. Discussion board prompt, the initial post is due on Wednesday. Then make sure you have 4 responses to other students by Sunday. The optional is due Friday. Make sure that if I've given you feedback, you make all corrections or you won't get scored on it. And it's due by Friday. Nothing late will be accepted. If you need to find my symbols, because I use a lot of symbols when I'm grading, and how to locate feedback, there's a little video there. Make sure you look over the AI usage and proof of written work. Okay, everybody, good luck. Thank you.